In every school, there are students who stay quiet, not because they don't know the answer, but because they lack the confidence to speak. For years, we've focused on writing and reading. But speaking was never truly practiced. Quest changes that by bringing structured communication skills and personality development training right into the timetable. From day one, students begin to speak clearly, daily, and without fear. From hesitation to initiation, students begin leading the conversation. The confidence they build here travels with them into every room, every role, every stage. Quest is more than a program. It's a transformation for your classrooms, your students, and their future. Partner with Quest.